Ramu eats slow or Ramu eats slowly. Which is the correct one? Ramu eats slowly is the correct one. What is the difference? By the way, are you new here? Welcome to Cornerstone Skills, and I help you build your fluency in English and gain your confidence in your communication skills. Today we shall study about adverbs. Now, what are adverbs? Adverbs describe the verb, that is the action word. So let's look at a few examples. He eats slowly. She runs quickly. Slowly, quickly are the adverbs and they describe the action verb eat or run. Eat and run. So how are these adverbs formed? They are formed from adjectives. So for that, you need to know what are adjectives. In our earlier lessons, we have spoken about adjectives, and adjectives are words that describe the noun, that is the name, place, animal, or thing. Framing an adverb from an adjective is simple. There are 4 ways to form the verb from the adjective, and let's have a look at them. The first one of the simplest and the most common way is just add ly to the adjective. So let's look at a few examples. Nice, quick, polite, beautiful. All these are adjectives. And when you add ly to these words, they become adverbs. So nice becomes nicely, quick becomes quickly, polite becomes politely, beautiful becomes beautiful. If we have to make a sentence with 1 or 2 of them, I would say the food was nice and they ate nicely. Another way is when the adjective ends in y, we remove the y and add the ily. Examples: angry becomes angrily, easy becomes easily, happy becomes happily, lazy becomes lazily, hungry becomes hungrily. A few sentences. Suresh is an angry man. He always talks angrily. Another one. They are a happy couple. They live happily together. Now the third way is adjectives that end in le. We replace the e with the letter y. Terrible becomes terribly. Comfortable becomes comfortably. Incredible becomes incredibly. Sentences: the food at the restaurant was terrible and they were terribly disappointed. Another one, the view from the mountain top was incredible, or it was incredibly breathtaking. And the fourth way is adjectives which end in ic. The adverb ends with ally. Ironic becomes ironically, realistic becomes realistically, and enthusiastic becomes enthusiastically. So let me give you one sentence. My sister is so enthusiastic about joining us on our weekend trip. Or she enthusiastically agreed to join us on our weekend trip. Got it? Before I end, let me bring to your attention there are certain words where there are no changes in the adverb and adjective. For example, we have the words like fast, hard, late. They are the same for the adjective and the adverb. Let's look at the sentences. My son drove very fast. We don't say he drove fastly. No, my son drove very fast. He is a fast driver. So in both ways, the adverb is and the adjective, the adverb and the adjective are the same. The stone was hard and it hit me hard. adverb and the adjective are the same. We have an exception here. The food was good and they ate well. We don't say the food was good and they ate good. No. The food was good and they ate well. I hope you studied something about adjectives and listened to my videos on degrees of comparison. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon to continue with adverbs.